How to change the application language of Where is my train. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can change the language of Where is my train application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Where is my train application. So the steps are also identical for both the Android or iOS devices with a minimum or a minor UI difference. So once you are inside the Where is my train application, you will see a window like this. Now in this particular window you can see three lines present at the top left corner of the screen. So simply click onto this lines to open the navigation panel, and in this navigation menu you can see the second option that says language. So simply click onto this language button, and from here you can choose from a number of different languages like Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, etc. So you can choose any language as per your pleasing, and once you have selected that particular language you need to click onto the submit button, and once you will do this you can see that the application language has been successfully changed. So that is how easily you can change the language of your Where is my train application. So that was all for this tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.